Corporate language is a collection of commonly used phrases, abbreviations, and buzzwords that appear in meetings, emails, and workplace conversations. It's designed to communicate complex ideas quickly, but for newcomers, it can sometimes feel confusing or maybe even a bit overly indirect. Understanding this language helps you follow discussions more easily, respond appropriately, and communicate with confidence in a professional environment. Alignment and shared understanding. Alignment is used when teams or individuals agree on direction, goals, or decisions. It is often mentioned in planning meetings or discussions where multiple stakeholders are involved. Being on the same page means that everyone shares the same understanding of expectations or outcomes. These terms are important because misalignment can lead to confusion, delays, and rework. Bandwidth and availability. Bandwidth refers to a person's available time and mental capacity to take on work. When someone says they don't have bandwidth, it means they are currently too busy or overloaded. This term helps teams manage workload realistically and avoid assigning tasks to people who cannot handle them effectively at the moment. Action items and deliverables. An action item is a specific task that someone needs to complete after a meeting or discussion. A deliverable is a tangible output, such as a report, presentation, or software feature. These terms help convert conversations into clear responsibilities so that work moves forward without ambiguity. Deep dives and quick wins. A deep dive refers to a detailed and thorough analysis of a topic, often involving data, research, or extended discussion. In contrast, a quick win is a task that can be completed quickly and delivers immediate value. Both terms are used in planning to balance long-term understanding with short-term progress. Stakeholders and cross-functional work. Stakeholders are individuals or groups who are impacted by or interested in a project outcome. Cross-functional refers to collaboration between different departments such as marketing, engineering, and design. These terms highlight the importance of coordination across different parts of an organization to achieve shared goals. Blockers and unblocking work. A blocker is anything that prevents progress on a task, such as missing information, technical issues, or dependencies on other teams. Unblocking means removing those obstacles so work can continue. These terms are especially common in agile environments where continuous progress is essential. So, let's talk about strategy, scalability, and value. When we say something is scalable, we're describing a system, process, or solution that can grow without breaking or losing efficiency. And leverage means using available resources or advantages to achieve better results. Now, value add refers to anything that improves outcomes for the business or customer. These terms come up a lot in strategic planning discussions. In agile environments, a sprint is a fixed time period in which work is completed, usually 1 to 2 weeks. A backlog is a prioritized list of work items waiting to be done. A user story describes a feature from the user's perspective, while an epic is a larger piece of work that is broken down into smaller stories. These concepts help teams organize and deliver work incrementally. A stand-up is a short daily meeting where team members share progress and discuss blockers. A retrospective, or retro, is a meeting held after a sprint to reflect on what went well and what can be improved. A sync or sync up is a general meeting used to align on updates or decisions. These rituals help maintain communication and continuous improvement. Phrases like circle back, loop you in, take this offline, and revisit this are commonly used to manage conversations efficiently. Circle back means to return to a topic later, while loop you in means adding someone to a conversation. Take this offline means discussing something separately, outside the current meeting. These phrases help keep discussions organized and time efficient. Corporate lingo is widely used across industries to simplify communication and standardize how people talk about work. While it may initially feel unfamiliar or even a bit overly formal, repeated exposure makes it easier to understand and use naturally. Learning this language really does improve clarity, teamwork, and confidence in professional settings. allowing individuals to participate more effectively in discussions and decision-making.